Infinix GT10 Pro comes with Android 13 and weighs up to 187 grams. It is powered by 5000 mAh non-removable battery with 45 watt fast charge. As far as cameras are concerned, the Infinix GT10 Pro on the rear pack triple camera setup featuring 108 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel camera and 2 megapixel camera. It has single front camera setup for selfies featuring 32 megapixel sensor. This phone comes with 6.67-inch touchscreen display with 1080 into 2460 pixels with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Infinix GT10 Pro is powered by octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 8050 processor. It comes with 8GB of RAM and packs 256GB of inbuilt storage. Box include handset in cyber black color, 45 watt charger, USB Type-C cable, soft film, TPU case, SIM ejector tool.